look at the United States for that matter, with all its military superiority, technological superiority, they still, had a very embarrassing exit from Afghanistan. So in that sense, perhaps formulation of such a strategy will be very imperative towards developing a niche, like you said.
Yeah, absolutely. See, I think you sort of hit the nail on the head. So the problem in Afghanistan, for example, was not that the US military lacked capability
Right.
or that the US military lacked funds. It's just that their strategy and objectives were not very clear.
Right.
I mean, why are you there and what are you to do?
Right.
And that's why at the end of it, I think they just had to do a very embarrassing pullout from there.
Right. It's just because of that one existential question, right? Like, what are we doing here and what is the long-term objective?
Absolutely. Absolutely.
And in the article that I was referring to, you conclude by saying the Goldwater-Nichols Act, reorganizing the US military, came when the policymakers lost absolute faith in the ability of the US military to overcome parochialism. Hopefully that stage will not come. Now, I don't want to take words out of your mouth, but what do you exactly mean by that?
See, we are seeing how, the processes that General Rawat started, particularly on integrated theater commands. There has been a lot of discussion and debate on that. There are some reservations that we are seeing among some services on how these integrated theater commands must come up.
Right.
And I'm all for, debate and discussion. It must be held so that we get our structures right. But in the garb of, saying that this structure is not right, I just hope we do not push jointness and integration back.
Right.
So that is what I meant. And if the three services are not going to be able to agree, then obviously it will be time for the political leadership to step in and say this is essential and it has to be done. And that's why I quoted the Goldwater-Nichols
But do you
Act.
think we will actually go that far where a legislative intervention is required?
So I said I hope not.
Yeah, right. Okay.
I hope we don't. I hope the the office of the CDS, the three service chiefs, can sit down and sort of iron out their differences.
Right.
All of them say yes, integration is the need of the hour. So as long as that principle is understood and everybody moves in that direction, and that this reform doesn't get stalled, I just hope that happens.
Please remember to subscribe to us and switch on the notifications for this channel. For our other social media links, more content, and to support our work, please visit citti.net. Dhanyavad. Namaskar.